Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to move your BNB tokens from your Arculus wallet to your Coinbase wallet. It's a straightforward process, but I'll walk you through it step by step to make sure you do it safely and efficiently. By the end of this video, you'll have your BNB transferred and ready to use wherever you need it. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have both wallets set up and that you have some BNB in your Arculus wallet. Double-check your balances to avoid any surprises. Open your Arculus Wallet app on your phone or device. If you're new to this, remember that security is key. Always use two-factor authentication. Step 1. In the Arculus app, navigate to your wallet dashboard. Look for the BNB asset in your list of holdings. Tap on it to access the details. Step 2. Select the Send or Transfer option. This is usually represented by an arrow icon. You'll need to enter the recipient's wallet address, so have that ready from your Coinbase wallet. Now, for Step 3. Open your Coinbase Wallet app and go to the BNB section. Tap on the Receive button to generate and copy your wallet address. Make sure you're on the correct network. BNB typically uses the BNB Smart Chain, so select that to avoid any errors. Paste this address into the Arculus Send field. Step 4. Enter the amount of BNB you want to transfer. Be mindful of transaction fees. In 2025, these can vary based on network congestion, so check the estimated fee before proceeding. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with your wallet's security features, like a PIN or biometrics. After you send it, Step 5. Wait for the transaction to confirm. This usually takes a few minutes, but it can depend on the network. You can track it using a blockchain explorer like BSC Scan. Once it's done, check your Coinbase wallet to see your BNB has arrived. A quick tip. Always transfer a small test amount first to ensure everything works smoothly, and never share your private keys. If you run into issues, reach out to the wallet's support team. There you have it. That's how you transfer BNB from Arculus to Coinbase in 2025. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.